Alright, today I'm going to be replacing this air filter. It's a K&N and it's one of the washable ones. So what I did is just went to Walmart, bought another one, and I'll put the new one on and then just clean this and set it aside until it needs to be swapped out again, so I don't have to wait for however long to let it dry. So go remove this clamp or just loosen it up. Take the old one off and got this new one. I think it was right around $50, 46, $50, 46, somewhere around there. Let's see. There's a new one. So let's see. Slide this one on. There we go. Just be careful you don't bend any of these fins here. But slide it on just like that. Rotate the clamp. Just tighten it back up. You don't have to go too crazy on the clamp. Alright. So now I bought some cleaner, K&N cleaner to spray on this. So that's the next thing I'll do. Alright, what you want to do with this filter is just soak it pretty much inside and out. Got this Power Clean for it. And the inside. So pretty much soak it down, wait 20 minutes, and then rinse it with water. So we'll just let this sit now, and then we'll rinse it. Set it right back there. All right. You want to spray the water from the inside out. You can kind of see through it when you're spraying. So you should be able to see if you got all the dirt out. And if the water starts becoming clear, no more dirt falling out. So it doesn't take very long to clean these out. looks pretty good. Sprayed off just a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. And then I'll put this back in the pack and use it when the other one's dirty, and just swap them out like that, so I'm never down having to wait for this filter to dry however long it takes. So that's why I went ahead and just bought another one, so I can just swap it out and then I'll clean the other one. Alright,